This is an inside look at the early stages of production of the reliable Ford Super Duty trucks. Welcome to the Kentucky truck plant in Louisville, the primary assembly facility where some of the toughest heavy-duty trucks in the world are built. Inside this massive factory, gigantic industrial stamping presses shape flat sheets of steel and aluminum into finished vehicle components. These presses form critical parts such as doors, roofs, fenders, hoods, tailgates, box sides, floor pans, and structural body panels that make up the truck's body. Last year, a total of around 300,000 Ford Super Duty trucks were produced in the United States. Approximately 8,700 employees work at this Kentucky facility, with the majority assigned to the main assembly line. Factory workers on the assembly line typically earn an average hourly wage of about $24 per hour, reflecting the skilled labor required to build these heavy-duty machines. This is how the quality of the body in white of a future Ford Super Duty is inspected. At this stage, the truck body has not yet been painted or fully assembled, but engineers carefully check welds, panel alignment, and structural integrity to ensure every unit meets strict quality standards. The chassis frame of the Super Duty is built from two massive longitudinal steel beams connected by a series of heavy-duty cross members. For heavy-duty and medium-duty trucks, Ford uses a full ladder-frame chassis design which provides exceptional strength and durability for towing and hauling massive loads. Here you can see how the wheels are mounted onto the chassis frame using an orange robotic manipulator arm. These automated systems allow precise placement of heavy components, improving speed, accuracy, and worker safety. While the chassis frame and cab are being assembled at the Kentucky truck plant, transmissions for Super Duty pickups are produced at the Sharonville transmission plant. This massive facility spans approximately 182 acres and features more than 2.4 million square feet of floor space. Around 2,000 Ford employees work here every day building transmissions that will later be installed in trucks across the country. Henry Ford revolutionized automobile manufacturing in 1913 with the introduction of the moving assembly line. Instead of building an entire car from start to finish, each worker stayed in one location and performed a single specialized task throughout their shift. This innovation dramatically increased production speed and efficiency and transformed the global automotive industry. For heavy-duty trucks like the Ford Super Duty, the transmissions are engineered to handle extreme torque levels and heavy payload demands. Sharonville's flagship heavy-duty transmission is the 10R140, a 10-speed automatic transmission specifically designed for Super Duty pickups. Over the decades, the Sharonville facility has played a crucial role in Ford's manufacturing network, producing a wide range of transmissions and components for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles, making it one of the cornerstones of the company's powertrain operations. Ford's 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel engine is engineered for versatility and durability. It is capable of running on a blend of up to 20% biodiesel and 80% traditional petroleum diesel, offering flexibility in fuel choice while maintaining strong performance. Although Ford Super Duty transmissions are known for their strength and capability, owner satisfaction has been mixed. Many owners report excellent reliability, while others have experienced shift quality issues or required repairs, particularly with early versions of the 10-speed transmission units. After completing final inspections and documentation, the transmissions are carefully packaged and shipped to truck assembly plants, including the Ohio assembly plant where they are installed into new vehicles. Now, workers use massive cranes to install the engines into the chassis frame. At this stage, the Ford trucks are assembled using a body-on-frame construction method where the engine, transmission, cab, and chassis are built separately and then integrated together. You are now witnessing a critical stage of the assembly process known as the marriage, where the vehicle body is joined to the chassis frame. This is one of the most important moments in the production of any truck as the vehicle begins to take its final shape. The Kentucky truck plant uses a large-scale automated production system, with approximately 420 robots working alongside human employees on the assembly line. Buyers can choose to equip their Super Duty truck with a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel V8, known for its high torque and exceptional towing capability, or a 6.8-liter gasoline V10, which delivers strong power for demanding workloads. This is how the doors are installed onto the truck using robotic manipulator arms for precise alignment. At the end of the production line, workers attach and snap chrome elements onto the body, including badges, logos, and trim pieces that give the truck its final appearance. Rather than adapting the lighter-duty Ford F-150 for heavier use, Ford designed the Super Duty as a dedicated heavy-duty variant of the F-Series lineup. This allows the trucks to be built with stronger frames, heavier suspension components, and more powerful drivetrains. After assembly, Ford vehicles undergo final quality inspections inside brightly lit LED tunnels, where inspectors check for paint defects, alignment issues, and cosmetic imperfections. Different Super Duty models are produced on the same assembly line, but they always remain within the heavy-duty vehicle category. The Super Duty is built to handle heavier loads, and its increased weight also improves towing stability, helping prevent trailers from bouncing excessively when driving without a load. The primary difference between the Ford F-150 and the Ford Super Duty lies in their size, capability, and purpose. Super Duty trucks are larger, stronger, and specifically engineered for heavy-duty commercial and industrial work. They are particularly well known for class-leading towing and hauling capacity, with models like the F-350, F-450, and F-550 standing out as top choices for drivers who need maximum performance on demanding jobs. Now you are watching the Ohio Assembly Plant, the only facility where the Ford F-650 and F-750 trucks are built. At this moment, you can see the chassis frame being carefully transported across the factory floor as it moves through the production hall toward the next assembly stage. Here, the wheels are being mounted onto the chassis frame using another orange robotic manipulator arm. Once all parts are prepared and the production schedule is set, the physical assembly of an F-650 or F-750 truck typically takes around 30 hours. These medium-duty commercial trucks are built on a robust, industrial-grade ladder frame designed to handle heavy loads and demanding work conditions. Ford Super Duty trucks feature a pickup-style ladder frame with a gross vehicle weight rating under 19,500 pounds, while still maintaining exceptional strength and durability. Ford Super Duty trucks ranging from the F-250 to the F-550 are produced at the Kentucky truck plant, while the larger F-650 and F-750 models are exclusively assembled at the Ohio Assembly Plant. While the chassis frame and engine are being assembled, the vehicle's body frame is simultaneously formed in the stamping plant, ensuring a continuous flow of parts to the main assembly line. The assembly line inside the Ohio plant stretches across approximately 19 miles of conveyor systems, making it one of the most complex truck production facilities in the United States. You are now watching another marriage process where the truck body is joined with the chassis frame. Prior to 2015, these medium-duty trucks were built in Mexico at a joint venture facility operated with another company. To support the production of the F-650 and F-750 in the United States, Ford invested approximately $168 million into the Ohio plant, adding new tooling equipment and expanding the body shop capacity. This shift helped preserve over 1,000 hourly jobs at the Ohio facility as part of a broader agreement between Ford and the United Auto Workers. This Ford factory also uses a large-scale automated production system, with approximately 420 robots working along the assembly line. The Ohio plant's manufacturing setup supports a wide range of body styles and configurations, including regular cab, super cab, crew cab, and multiple chassis options. This flexibility allows the assembly line to produce different truck variants simultaneously rather than identical models only. You are now observing the final assembly on the main production line, where workers perform thorough quality inspections to ensure every truck meets Ford's strict standards. You are now watching the final assembly of the Ford F-550, a process very similar to how the F-650 and F-750 are built. Before leaving the factory, Ford Super Duty trucks undergo rigorous testing to ensure top performance, durability, and safety. Trucks are driven over gravel, potholes, uneven pavement, rough off-road trails, and steep hills to evaluate suspension performance, chassis strength, and ride comfort. This is the Transportable Instrument Panel and Sound Testing Evaluation Rig, designed to ensure that even heavy-duty trucks like the Ford Super Duty deliver a quiet and comfortable cabin despite their massive size and powerful engines. This is how climate and road conditions are simulated using the Transportable Environmental Four-Poster Testing System. It allows Ford to test Super Duty trucks for rough terrain, extreme temperatures, and full payload conditions directly at the plant. Actuators in the four-poster system can move each wheel up and down hundreds of times per minute, simulating bumps, dips, and vibrations that trucks encounter on real roads. This rapid movement allows engineers to evaluate suspension performance, chassis durability, and ride comfort under a wide range of conditions. This testing can simulate road mileage equivalent to tens of thousands of real-world miles in just a few days. During the development of the latest generation Super Duty trucks, Ford conducts extensive multi-month testing on proving grounds and test tracks to ensure reliable performance under extreme conditions and real-world driving scenarios. Tracks include wet or icy surfaces for traction testing, mud, dust, and gravel for off-road durability, and sections that simulate extreme heat or cold. An exoskeleton is a wearable mechanical suit designed to enhance a worker's strength and endurance. At Ford factories, these are mostly upper-body exoskeletons that help employees lift, hold, and position heavy components with less physical strain, making assembly work safer and more efficient. Here is how the Ford Super Duty is tested for camper handling and roll stability control. Trucks navigate sharp turns, emergency stops, and slalom courses to evaluate stability, electronic stability control, steering precision, and braking performance under challenging conditions. If the system detects a potential rollover or loss of control, it can apply individual brakes or reduce engine power to keep the truck stable and prevent accidents.